Samsung has just unveiled its flagship phone for 2024, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, building upon the success of previous models, especially the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This phone follows the familiar formula of a large S Pen-enabled device, reminiscent of the Galaxy Note series. One major change in the Galaxy S24 Ultra is its titanium design, departing from the aluminum used in previous models. The display is now completely flat with thinner bezels, maximizing screen real estate. Despite the flat design, the frame maintains a slight outward curve for improved ergonomics. The phone is also IP68 water and dust resistant, allowing submersion in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. The device introduces Corning glass armor for enhanced durability, and its 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers a dynamic refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it one of the brightest displays in the market. One of the standout features is the commitment to software support, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra promised 7 years of major OS upgrades. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, offering improved performance and efficiency, especially for gaming. The camera system includes a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, along with a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. The Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with various RAM and storage options, with pricing starting at $1,299.99. It's expected to be a top recommendation due to its impressive features, design, and extended software support, continuing Samsung's successful track record in the smartphone market.